This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Yo, what's up? We are now back at the Bosch car service and this is Nasir.
Hello guys.
As always. But yes, you heard it in the previous episode. I mentioned it several times that Nyland has a problem with the heater. It's not working. I even took a trip to Alvdal and back again with the EcoFlow.
Cold.
Yeah, well, it wasn't that cold.
Yeah.
It was interesting because I had the battery and the heater with me.
Yes.
But okay, but we need to fix it. And we are here to check it out. So that one, and also we have, I noticed some kind of, some noise in the undercarriage, in the suspension. So you're an expert on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
we will take a test drive. So
yeah,
to see what's the problem.
We'll figure out what's wrong. Hopefully fix it today or tomorrow. But first, I guess we'll do the test drive.
Yes.
You see, the heater is on. Everything we have it on the manual now. Otherwise, it will try to blow it too hard. But there is no heat coming out of the HVAC system. But at least we have seat heaters on, so we are adding around 200 watts of heat in the car. A little bit of heat at least. Plus, of course, the human heat.
Yeah.
But okay, anyway, about the suspension.
Yes, I heard the noise when we drove the car out and we had a little bit bump. So we had like a clunk noise on the left side front.
Yeah, I also heard it. It's from there somewhere. Huh?
Yeah. So it can be some of the suspension part that I'm guessing. But the thing what I want to add without these issues like we have with heating is no heat, obviously. So we will look at that. But the car for the kilometers, Bjørn, is impressive.
Yeah.
How good it drives, because it floats on the road. I could not see the difference if I drove this car or a car that I've gotten 18,000 kilometers, to be honest. So that's very good, actually.
Yeah, same what I experienced when I took the trip to Alvdal. I was like, wow, this rides really well for, you know, Nyland is about to turn 9 years old.
Yeah, yeah, and it don't feel like that. I don't hear some excessive noise from here or here, some like something is loose. Everything feels tight and good. And look, I'm not holding the steering so much, so feels good. Even the brakes. So impressive, almost 400,000 kilometers. I think with proper service and maintenance, it can go the double of that kilometer. And I think in Norwegian conditions, it's very impressive. So, and I think till today, to new cars, it keeps up the standard on the drive feelings as well.
Okay, let's try the Birgen Haug. Oh, crook!
I heard it.
That was it. Ah,
yes.
First the left, first the right wheel, and then when the left wheel hit. You see, there's a pothole there. Try to carefully run into the pothole with the left wheel, maybe.
Without destroying the wheel.
Yeah, let's see if we can. Okay, that was maybe too slow.
Too slow. I'll try a little bit with speed.
Let's try this one. Oh, I heard the squeaking.
Yeah.
That one, we had it for a while now.
Yes.
Something with the bushings or...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But we heard it on the first right turn we took, actually.
Yeah. Maybe we should just take up the car and see under.
Yeah. It's a good idea, so.
Oh, that one also.
Yes.
Every time you do a full turn, you hear that.
I think it's the same issue, actually.
If you try full turn.
Okay, now it didn't come in. But yes, I feel it.
Okay. So after the test drive, we are now inside the workshop. We have taken the Nyland up, and now I guess you will explain what's going on with the heater.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course, the cabin heater is totally dead. So the first thing we will do is to check the fuses, and the fuse is sitting in the DC in this car. So just come with me. So we will do the measurement.
So interesting. You're wearing some gloves now. Is it because?
Yeah, it is of course high voltage system. So we always use these gloves, and they can tackle, if you see here, up to 1,000 volts. So
okay,
it's good. And I will just explain. This connection here go to inside the car in the cabin to, of course, cabin heater. So before we change or do anything with the cabin heater, we check that the connection and everything is okay, and it's look okay here. you have plus and minus here. And you have a fuse inside this one that blows away. So we will do the measurement now to check if it's okay or not.
Well, those cables, by the way, those big, are they live or these ones, or are they?
Not right now because we have disconnected the HV cable in the front. So it's another. But anyhow, safety is the most important. So you always use gloves.
Yeah.
So my colleague will now measurement here and just do the test that what we are going to see. If it's connection true, do it one more time. You will hear the noise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now Robert, what is he checking now?
Now he's checking the fuse connection.
Also the fuses.
Yes.
That one is connected.
And the plus.
No connection there.
Yes.
Connection from the plus.
What does that mean then?
Then the fuse is gone inside.
Oh, the fuse is blown.
Yes, inside the cabineter.
So now this is the one that was in the wheel arch. So you guys have taken it out.
Yes.
And this is actually the what do you call it? If you can flip it over now, Nasir. This is the DC-DC converter.
Yeah.
I heard it's 2 kilowatt. We don't see it anywhere here. There's a part number there. But this is the one that transforms, or actually, actually, I think the correct term is that it converts. If you can, it converts a high voltage, 400 volt, into low voltage, into 12 volt. Okay.
Yes.
And by the way, there's also some coolant stuff. So you see, highly sophisticated stuff. This one is also water cooled.
So.
And then
we have the 2 fuses here, made in India.
So let me see. Let me zoom in here.
Should be good quality.
Yeah. There is some good curry from India.
I think so.
Yeah.
So,
so we have 2. Okay.
Yeah.
2 fuses.
So, then my colleague will measurement.
We testing.
Connection.
Connection from the multimeter. And this 2 fuse, one is up. When it is up, is okay.
Okay, that one is okay.
Yes. And one is down. Is from the plus.
No, that one is kaput.
Yes.
Dead.
That's the same one. The plus is also what you measured earlier.
Yeah,
it's
same.
broken.
Yeah.
So it's only the fuse,
Yes.
not the PTC heater.
No.
Because now we're taking out the fuse. This is what it looks like. It's it says 40 amps. Zoom in here a bit.
And it should only work one way.
So this is the one that is kaput. But you know, in my brain, if the fuse blows, there must be a reason for it. Why is it kaput suddenly?
Yes, that's true what we are saying. It can be 2 reasons. Maybe that it have a lifespan, that it can work so many years. It's called heat. And maybe if the heater just use a lot of amps, and then it can also break. It's sitting there, it can shake. So it can be many reasons, but I don't have the correct answer.
Oh, so it could actually be something like metal fatigue or something there.
It can be.
It's not like in a house, because in a house, a fuse should not just blow like that.
No, theoretically, a fuse blows if something is
Overloaded.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it can be many other reasons as well.
Yeah, I just got me thinking. When I saw this one, there's some electronics here. There's some kind of seal around it.
Yep.
And then this one is located here in the freaking wheel arch. I hope Tesla move it somewhere else in Model 3 and Y.
Yeah, but if you see, it's still very dry and no moisture or no other problems. So it was no outside issues actually. So it's
just internal.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is interesting. That normally, just like when we have that big battery fault in Italy,
yeah,
it's usually just one tiny problem.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this is the new fuse, and then you have the old one also, Nasir. It's slightly different.
Yeah, it's different color, so that's what I can say.
It's the same manufacturer, Bussmann.
Yeah, and both are made in India.
Okay. Right. So it should be the same. Hopefully, maybe the new one is a new revision that can last more than 9 years.
I hope so, but 9 years is good enough.
Yeah, actually, this fuse is 9 years old.
So
And I don't know how many hours of runtime we're talking about when it comes to the heater, but a lot of time, a lot of hours.
it's Norway, so we use a lot of heaters. So it's a lot of from Norway, as you say. So I think they have maybe some better fuse or same. If it's same, it should last 9 years. So I think it's more than good enough.
All right, Millennium Falcon's been fixed. Let me show you now. So we've been running the heater a little bit just to get things started. And then just to visually show you guys, because I can show in the camera, but you don't see much, right? But here we have the FLIR, the FLIR camera. And you see that, oh, hold on, wait, I think it's better for me to hold this. All right, oh yeah, let me see, how much is that? 50 degrees Celsius. Oh, yeah, here. Oh, it's working again. So you see, we set it to 25 degrees Celsius, and it's now heating up. So I just inspect visually, and also, of course, with feeling that it is heating up just like before. There is no reduced heat or anything. So it's nice and hot, just like it was. Let me see. What about the footwell? Yeah, I see. Footwell is also heating up. So wow, that was good news. Finally had the heater back.
Yes.
Yeah. But what was wrong with the car?
Actually, it was only the fuse. So we changed the fuse and put it back, and now it's heating like it was new. So I think everything is good for 9 years more. I hope so.
Yeah, because I don't know if I mentioned it, but the PTC heater was replaced right before I bought back Millennium Falcon. So the PTC heater is roughly 1.5 years old only. Brand new PTC heater.
Yeah.
So it should not fail.
No, so it was only the fuse.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. But okay, and when it comes to, what about the price for the replacement? This could be a common case. You guys have seen this before, right?
Yes, many cars, it's normal actually, and not only in Tesla. A lot of electric vehicles can have the same issue and problem. So it's a repair solution for that one, and it is like from 300 euros to 400 euros with diagnostic and everything to find the fault.
And if you're a Tesla Owners Club member, you get discount.
Yeah, get discount. Yes, right.
How much
I
is
don't
it?
remember how it is, but it's standing on their homepage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's great. At least it wasn't a super expensive repair.
Yes.
And still shows that all cars, as long as you know exactly what to repair,
Yeah.
it doesn't have to cost a fortune to keep it
Exactly.
running.
Exactly. That's the point.
Yeah. So, but okay, well, we have still one more thing with undercarriage.
Yeah, on the left side front, we will change a joint outer for the steering, and we will do the alignment control completely. So.
Yeah. So, right, this video is going to be too long anyway, but we will cover that in another episode because I think it's a separate thing that should be separated out.
Yeah.
So people find it anyway.
Yeah.
So, all right, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.